Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to increase screen time out on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if your screen times out very early and you want to use it for a long time so that it wakes up for more time, then you can simply change the settings of your screen time out. But if you have already changed and it is not working, then how you can fix that? So all thing will tell you in that video. So for this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So first of all, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for reset all settings. And here you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply search for always on display. So here you can simply search for always on display. So here you can simply search for that always on display, and here you will find the option of display and brightness settings. So here you can simply find the settings, auto lock settings. So here you can simply turn on the low power mode. So here you can simply see that it is auto lock. So here you can simply search the settings. So if you want to auto lock your iPhone, then there are settings available. So if you have set to 30 seconds, which means after that your iPhone will be locked after 30 minutes of inactivity. So in this way you can simply change the settings. So if you want more settings, which means you more time you want to wake up your setting, then you can simply change the setting. Moreover, you can simply click on raise to wake, which means if you hold your iPhone, then it will wake up automatically. So you can also change these settings. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.